Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Metal Eden game crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PS5. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart your PlayStation. For that, this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just need to open PS5 screen, click on PlayStation button on controller. After that, select power button and finally click on restart PS5. So after restarting your PS5, now check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then network, then settings, then set up network connection. After that, click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. After that, hold on the power button unless 2 beep sound occurs. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode, and here you need to connect DualSense controller via USB cable, and after that select rebuild database. So after this, check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or issues and to improve performance. So make sure you update your game to the latest version, and after that check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now you click on user and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select the game and click on restore. So after restoring licenses, check if it is fixed or not. Next solution is to check storage space on console. So for that, first go to PS5 settings. Now move down to storage. After that, you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Then go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5 and then select console storage and tap on delete option. Now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, move to the next solution. It's delete games save file PS5. So for that, first open settings on your PS5 menu. After that, select saved data PS5. Now select upload or delete from console storage and then choose Metal Eden or your game. After this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it, and hopefully this will resolve to fix the issue that you are coming across. Next is to change language or console. So for that, first open PS5 settings. Now go to system. Here select language options in the left sidebar. Select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other, and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. So for that, go to settings, then click on user and accounts. Now go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out, and once done, again log into the PS5 account and check for the error is resolved or not. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then go to system. Now go to system software, then click on system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update using internet option. After this, try to launch the game and check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and at last select restore option. So after resetting your console settings, now check if the problem is fixed or not. Next method is to reinstall the game. So for that, first highlight the game on your PS5, then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it, and finally restart your PS5 and install the game again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it and explain whatever issue you are coming across to the support team, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end and you can further play the game without any issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.